Welcome. We are your hosts, Chris and Tammy.
In this podcast, we dive into the mindset for networking strategies and skills you'll need to build a solid foundation to build a global business.
We've built a multi-million-dollar business and have mentored thousands of people around the globe in the last 25 years. How to stay motivated even in challenging times.
You know, the word impossible. Everybody sees it in a different way. And the key is to know that you're possible. You can do anything that you desire to be, do, and have in your life. It's the words, it's the actions that will determine whether we're going to move towards it or, step back. So how to stay motivated even in challenging times, you need to recognize the emotional blocks, things that really keep you stuck. Start recognizing these things. When you're in the moment, and I constantly say that, when you're in the moment is when you recognize everything. But when you're so stuck in what happened yesterday or what happened an hour ago or, your past challenges, you're never present. Okay. And if all you ever think about is the future, Chris and I, we can get caught up on the future because we have such a big goal in life, and that's to create a legacy. But we also have to be present in the moment for ourselves and our health and our well-being and being grounded on our goals that we want to accomplish today as well. So you want to be able to also shift your perspective in anything, in any situation, in the words that you choose. If it's not serving you, they have to go. The words have to go. Like, I can't do that. Often I would say that when I didn't know how to do something, I can't do it. I don't know how. So instead of focusing on that, I would shift to, I'm going to learn one thing and I'm going to move forward and get better and better and better and learn other things. And I do this all the time now. It's all about shifting. It's all about breaking those large goals because we have big goals. And I'm sure you have too in life. And you need to break those down into small tasks and create wins around those small tasks. Okay, you need to celebrate along the way because it's not about the destination. Okay, there's a lot of people out there that are destination people, but they're not focused on the journey. And the journey is who you become, right? It's all about that. It's all about you growing into whatever it is that you want to achieve, and use visualization. This is something that we've been doing for so long. I'm all about vision boards, but just, sometimes you can just close your eyes and just visualize something that you want to happen in the day, or visualize something that you want to happen in a month from now, or 2 months from now, or 5 months from now, 6 months, whatever it is, and visualize it, but then write it down, things you want to accomplish. Maybe you can take pictures of something that you really desire, and you can really break that down. So take the time to do this, you guys. This is something that Chris and I have been doing for so many years. It's such a natural thing for us because we've been in practice a long time. But if you've never done that, do it.
Your challenge. Identify one past emotional decision and write down how you would handle it differently. I guarantee there's something you can think about that is a past emotional decision that you did that maybe you wish, if I can go back in time, I would do it that way, right? Just write it. And the reason why I'm asking you to do this is because I assure you that life is very cyclical, and there will be a moment with that scenario, maybe with someone else or different environment, it will be repeated. I'm telling you, world rotates. And the next time it happens, you'll be in a better position to handle it.